Friday, and that means one thing. Yeah, thank goodness it's Friday, but it's not all about the fun, although cleaning is fun for me. On Fridays is my big cleaning day at home, especially when the boys are in school. Although the boys are on break right now and it's a snow day, I'm still gonna tackle some of my cleaning today and also have them help. They usually come home on Fridays, and first things first, they have to clean their room and their playroom before they get to enjoy the rest of the weekend. Yes. Unlike a lot of Spanish families, which I know if you're Spanish, you probably can relate. Your mom used to wake up early on Saturday mornings to clean the whole house and make you guys clean too, right? So no, I am not going to make my kids or myself wake up early on a Saturday morning to clean. We don't do that here. We clean on Fridays so that on Saturday and Sunday we can have fun and not worry about all that stuff, right? And then Mondays, of course, I kind of have to do a quick tidy up and things like that after the long weekend. But I want to share some of my cleaning products or cleaning hacks that I love. And I have my caddy with all my cleaning products. So let me show you a little bit. Okay, so here's my caddy. I got this at Walmart. And I have, of course, my sponges, some brushes here to clean, this linen spray that I make with Young Living products, and all this stuff. As you see, I don't use any harsh chemicals. I don't use bleach. I don't use Lysol. I make all of my products using stuff that I can get from home and more natural. So I use this Thieves cleaner and I dilute it for my all-purpose spray. I also put some of the Thieves cleaner in here, and these are my own, I guess, disinfecting wipes. And I put some vinegar and distilled water in there. And it's basically like these types of cloths that I use. I put them in there to soak, and then I have it for disinfecting wipes. You can also put a little bit of alcohol in there. I have my carpet powder, which has some lavender and peppermint. You can put some lemon essential oil in there. And I have my soft scrub that I also make with the Thieves. The thing about this caddy is that I can carry everything with me. I can see everything. It's also on the counter in my laundry room, so it's ready to go for the kids if they want to clean it or help me clean, or my husband. These are great, so you don't have to use paper towels and waste. They're washable, reusable. I love them. They come in a giant pack, and then microfiber towels as well to clean. So there it is. If you guys are interested in any of these hacks, please visit my Simply Made Natural page. I'll post how I make them and all the recipes there so that you guys can take a look if you're interested, and or DM me. I can, help you out if you want to get some of these things. So that's basically, I just wanted to share, and now I'm off to go clean the house.